Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. I have done analysis of Bandhan Bank previously also, and now still I am analyzing this stock for you guys on your special request. See, this stock has a 290 rupees support, okay, and today what happened, the stock today took support from 291 rupee level, okay. Why this stock is not going towards the upside? Just because there is not so good of a balance sheet earnings from this stock from the past few quarters. Okay, the stock is not performing from the past 2 quarters just because the stock is unable to provide good sort of a result. See, on this day 21st of January 2021, the stock announced its result, okay. And this level has acted as a resistance for quite a few times. See, here again it went up till here, then fallen, okay. What has happened today? See, if you will watch this stock yesterday, see, this was the earning day for this stock, okay. This was the earning day, 7th of May, okay. The stock was about to announce its result. The stock has actually announced its result. The stock is still not performing or going towards the upside. From the past 3 or 4 days, if you'll watch this stock, it has been continuously falling and falling, okay. And why this stock is falling? Just because the loan book is not so convincing that the loans can get recovered so easily. Why? Because the stock has because the bank has given loan to few of the states where loan recovery is not so possible easily, like West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand. These are the states where population are big, but the money wise loan repayment is not so good, okay. That is why this stock is not performing so well. And see, if you'll watch the history of this stock, around 2018 this stock made a 370 rupee high, okay. And this level again acted as a resistance on this date of announcement of result, 21st January 2021, okay. So this is the resistance for this stock, 367 rupees. And if you will want to draw a dynamic trend line, you will find that this level, and again if the stock in future comes towards this trend line, then this level also may act as a resistance for this stock. You can say 333 rupees. Why? Because see, at 333 rupees the stock has taken support and resistance few more times, right? See, at this level, correct, at this level. So on the downside, if you will want to notice, you will find out 280, 290, 297. These are all the supports for this stock, and if these supports get broken, the stock goes below 277, then it will test 250 level also, okay. So wait for any reversal candle in this stock and then only consider buying in this stock, because the stock is actually trading in a cheaper price rates, okay. I'm not telling that the stock can't go down, the stock can also go down side, but I guess the worst is actually over for this stock, and the stock might reverse like this, okay. It may form a U kind of a pattern, okay, and then start to reverse from up from these low levels, okay. So this is my view for this stock, but in charts if you will find that the stock is not good for investment yet, okay. Let the stock go above these levels, 320, 30, then only consider buying. Let any candle close above 320, 30 and sustain for 2-3 days above 320, 30, then only consider buying this stock. Until or unless, don't go for long in this stock, okay. And in intraday, if you find any opportunity to short this stock, then you can short this stock below these levels, okay, below this level of 290 rupees. You can short this stock below 290 rupees, but let one candle close below 290, then only consider shorting this stock, okay. Why I'm telling you 290? See, 290 will be a psychological level for this stock, and 290 will also be a option seller or option buyers target, okay. So you should actually sell it below 290. Let one 15-minute candle close below 290, then only consider selling. So this is my analysis for Bandhan Bank. Thank you for watching.